Hello, fellow Zoomer. Do you too use pictograms of small characters to express messages? And do you wish to know more about using them in JavaScript? Well, this video is for you. If you want to use JavaScript, you're going to probably want to use a good IDE. About blank, inspect, beautiful console here. So that's pretty sweet. So sometimes you want to say, hey, dot length, length, for in case of a for loop. Hey, HEY, 3 letters, fair enough. Hey, cool. All right. Hey, cool. Dot length, 5. Right. That's strange. Maybe. Hey, and you can already see in the preview, it's 5 again. What gives? You want to see something even weirder? 14. Length 14. Length 14. How crazy is that? That's not even one per guy there. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Dot split on nothing. Yeah, get that. What are those two? What are those? What's going on there? Well, I'm glad you asked. It's pretty interesting, and you're about to learn some Unicode. There are different encodings for text. One of the most common, ASCII. And that's one encoding, but another encoding, of course, is Unicode, which can encapsulate a lot more characters by adding more bytes to the end. And who decides what characters get which bytes? Well, that's the Unicode Consortium. Oh yeah, and guess what? Emojis are just Unicode characters as well. Okay, so here we are on the website of the Unicode Consortium, and this is to submit emoji proposals. So who creates emojis? The people. We make a proposal, send it off to Unicode, and when you send it off, they look at your proposal, they approve it, maybe they decline it, and if they approve it, they'll give you a Unicode code. They'll be like, boom, here is the Unicode code. This is your Unicode code. And looks like they gave person with ball 26 F9. In JavaScript, it's U26 F9. What do you know? It's person with ball. Easy peasy, right? 1. What? That's right. Actually, the guy with a ball, that has length 1. Some characters are 2. That's the face. That's the woman face. It's 2 bytes. Look at that. Play that back for you. That's the heart. Okay? 4. Okay, how about we let cool equal the guy with the sunglasses, okay? And now we write cool dot split on nothing. What do we get? 2 weird byte characters. Okay, so that's pretty strange. So so obviously those are the representations of the cool face, right? So how would you get that normally? So that was pretty annoying. So what we could do is do something like that. The spread operator, JavaScript spread operator. So now the cool face is nice in its own array, and then we just do that dot length. If we wanted the length, that's 1, and it would work nicely with. And here's a crazy part. A lot of your favorite emojis, they're just other emojis put back to back. Don't believe me? Watch this. This one. You guys know what that is? That's the ball emoji, okay? That on its own, it kind of looks like the top right corner of a sun or something. I don't know if anybody used that. But now we add back the man emoji, but you play the special emoji equivalent of the polymerization card, which is the 0 width joiner 200D. Bang! We just made him bald. That's amazing. We can go a step further. We can paste in that skin color modifier. Bang! Brown bald guy. Sorry. That's man. Okay. Let work hopefully. So we'll have her. Okay. And now let's see what happens if we go man plus. You guys remember the polarization? 200D plus man. Alright, nothing so far. Let's zoom out a little bit. Plus. The zero joiner plus girl. There's a more. Oh, girl's undefined. Sorry, that's your child. My bad. Bang. Look at that. It's the family emoji. It's the family emoji. And now we can finally see why the length, it's every emoji plus the thing in the middle, the thing that combines them, right? So it's going to get pretty up there. And those emojis are not guaranteed to be length 1. So pretty crazy stuff. And here's the unfortunate thing. So we can't just use the same trick, okay? That's 1, but the other one's length is 7, alright? What are we to do? We don't have the length. Moreover, we can't iterate over every single element. Well, thankfully for us, there is a solution. And that solution is grapheme splitter. Alright? This is a JavaScript, I guess, library, you could say, that splits based on graphemes. Now, graphemes are the individual units that you see, regardless of byte count. So this is exactly what we need. So we need to count graphemes and split on graphemes. This was exactly what I needed for the thing that I was making, but it's kind of comically long. It's kind of comically long to split on emojis. Let's just Control A, Control C, Control V. Now we can just write let splitter equals new grapheme splitter dot split graphemes family. Bang, dude. One element. One elephant. Dot length 1. Finally something that works. And so it's great. So we can even add, I don't know, man and child and, you know, the letter Q and this ASDF thing. And look at how perfectly it splits when the emojis are done. We can even split on. Look at that. I don't even know what that is. So yeah, so splitter.split graphemes, great library. Leave it in the description. You can go like this and just join. And look at that. It just joins normally, just like that. Thank you, fellow Zoomers, for watching my JavaScript video. Really appreciate it. I'd like to leave you guys with an official Unicode approved proposal for the quote slightly smiling face with tear emoji, and I just think these proposals are quite funny. They have just an emoji that is ambidextrous enough to express a large range of appreciation as listed above. You know, they've put some examples. That plus the graduation cap, graduating from high school. That plus the hearts, how I feel watching a friend learn to walk again. What? But until then, see y'all later. Peace.